Hi, Dyslexia Genius here. I'm back on the A100 Edison, and we're going to put in the speed control, and then we're going to put in the speed control part to the governor that we had fixed the felts on. And you have this piece, and then we have the pointer piece, and you put these two together. You leave these two screws loose, so the pointer thing will rotate around like this, because you're going to bring it down to hook, and it'll go like in like that. So it'll be, when you put it in, it'll be like this. So you put that in, you put the spring in, you have a little nut you can't lose, and we have this oblong little piece. So you're going to put, this has two slots on it, and this fits in, this has a slot, and this fits together on those two slots like that. So what you do, push this in with one finger. You line up the two slots, and you start the nut. That's how that works. So now you flip this over, and you remember we left this screw in previous videos. And then we have this special screw here. And we're always going to oil the threads. So we're going to take this, and we're going to slide this in. My boo-boo, that's a special one because this has a little raised area that fits through here like that. So we're going to take this, going to rotate the felts over, put this in here like that, and then you're going to flip the spring over this way. You don't want the spring that way. You're going to flip the spring that way. You're going to take this one, and you only need oil on the threads. I'm going to have that there. And this screw also has that little spacer thing on it. And that tightens down all the way, it'll stop. You see this moves like that. Now you'll take your hand, you'll take the little hook on the spring, and you stretch it over, take your fingernail, and pop it on. You hope it pops on. There we go. And in this shaft right here, there's a little groove in it where the little end of the round part of the spring fits. And there we go. And now your speed control works. Isn't that cool? Now we're going to leave the other part, that pointer piece, loose till we set the speed on the machine. Then we'll just rotate that over to 80 degrees, tighten those two nuts up, and you'll be good. And that's my tip for the day.